In order to set up a remote on your Redmi 15, what you have to do is, first of all, we need to go to the app drawer and we need to find the Mi Remote app. So let's go over here. If you open it for the first time, you will have to grant or actually agree to terms and some terms basically. Once you do that, you can either press Add Remote over here or this plus button in the top right corner. Then we need to choose what kind of device we want to set up on our smartphone. In my case, I'm going to choose a TV. And then we have to choose our brand. In my case, I have Samsung TV. You can also search for specific brands over here. So let's go and select Samsung. Now we need to choose whether our TV is powered on or off. In my case, it is on. And you will see this power button. And you need to tap on this power button while aiming at the TV from this side. So over here we have the IR blaster. We need to make sure that this thing is pointing at our TV. So I'm just gonna do that once. There we go. And if something changed, if the TV turns on or off after that, and then of course you want to select yes or any other device in that case. In my case, it didn't turn off, so I have to press no, and then I have to keep going until the TV actually turns off in my case. Alright, I managed to turn off my TV, so I'm gonna press yes now. And over here we can set up the name of the remote. We can choose where the TV is. We can even add a shortcut, and then we can press this check in the top right corner. And we have our remote set up. As you can see, we have a bunch of different buttons. So let me actually turn on my TV with this power button now. There we go. And that's pretty much it. As you can see in Mi Remote now, we have our Samsung TV remote. And we can keep going and we can add more stuff over here if you want to. Of course, different devices may have kind of a different way to set up the remote, but you should be able to simply follow the instructions to set up the remote over here on your Redmi 15. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.